Dear learners, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you 18 parts of the human body. So the first one is tok. Tok. Tok mean mouth. Mouth. Another one is lip. Lip. Lip mean tongue. Tongue. Number 3, leg. 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 Leg mean teeth. Teeth. So if it is one is leg, if it is plural, we call them leg. Leg. Teeth. Nyar. Nyar. This is nyar. Nya a r. Nyar. Nyar mean gum. Gum. Womb. Womb. Wa womb. Womb. Womb mean nose. Nose. Nyin. 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 Nyin mean eye. Eye. Num. Num. Num mean head. 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 Number 7, rock. 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 Rock mean kidney. 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 You can see it's called rock. Ra. Oka. Rock. Kidney. Chuan. 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 Chuan mean liver. 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 This is chuan. Another one is yolk. 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 Yolk mean spleen. 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 And for us we call it yak yak. Yak yak, but the real name yolk yolk. Yak yak spleen. Sorry. Chin. 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 Sha e n. Chin. Chin mean lungs. 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 The very important word we have to know is po. 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 Pa. U. O. U. Po. Po mean heart. 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 Heart is called po in Dinka language. Luet. 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 This is not luet, it's called luet. Luet mean saliva. Saliva. Saliva is luet. Ator. Ator. A ta u or ator. Ator mean mucus. Mucus, the one that come out from your nose. Ator, mucus. Luet, saliva. Luet is in the mouth. Luet, real togit. Then ator, real umit. Another one is yash. 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 Yash is a Dinka word that means stomach. 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 Stomach is called yash in Dinka. The very important word is yet. 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 Ya. Etta. Yet mean neck. 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 Very important word is cow. 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 Cow mean back. Back. Cow is a Dinka word that means back. Another word is lap. 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 La a up. La a up. Lap mean placenta. 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 Let me do a quick recap. Tok. Tok. Tok mean mouth. Mouth. Number 2, lip. Lip. Lip mean tongue. Tongue. Number 3, leg. 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 Leg mean teeth. Teeth. Number 4, nyar. Nyar. Nyar mean gum. Gum. Number 5, womb. Womb. Womb mean nose. Nose. 6, nyin. Nyin. Nyin mean eye. Eye. Num. That is number 18. Num. Num. Num mean head. Head. Rook. Rook. Rook mean kidney. Chuan. Chuan. Chuan mean liver. Liver. Yok yok. Yok yok. Yok yok mean spleen. spleen, sheen, sheen mean lungs, lung, pow, pow mean earth, luet, luet mean saliva, ator mean mucus, yash mean stomach, yet, yet, yet mean neck, cow, cow mean back, that is your back cow, lap, placenta. Bye, William Majak. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more videos. I promise you the parts of the human body, I'm going to bring the video. There is a diagram, so I make the video already, but I just want to give you some part here, and the other part I will give them to you next time. I will upload the video during weekend. So this one you have to learn the inner parts of the human body and some secretion. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, if you find this video is useful for you, please subscribe, like, and share our video. Okay, thank you for those of you who subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for those of you who comment, they also like, and they watch our video. So this is the end, and this is very good topic. The main topic, I will bring the video on weekend, so be ready. On Friday I will upload it, and this day so some part of it. Okay, bye. I'm William Majak.